Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. This video is math test prep questions number 41 through 50. All right, so this is the fifth video for this week's series of math test prep. There were 5 videos, 1 through 10, 11 through 20, then 21 through 30, 31 through 40, and now this is the last set, 41 through 50. Make sure you have everything completed in your notebook. Write down all the questions with the choices, work them out. Don't forget, subscribe. You should have already subscribed. Remember to always sign in to your account. That way you can put your answers in the comments. So you should have done that for all 5 videos. There are some tutorial videos up. I'm not done with those. So just work them out on your own. And once I get those up, then you can watch those. All right. So are you ready to begin? All right. Number 41 in the domain of operations and algebraic thinking. Match each expression to another expression with the same value. Okay, so here at the top, the expressions here are 8 times 50, 24 divided by 3, 56 minus 21, 4 minus 3, 53 times 7, and 40 times 2. Expressions right here are 8 times parentheses 5 times 12 minus 10 parentheses. The next one, 8 times 3, that's a divided by parentheses 6 minus 3 parentheses. Last one, parentheses 8 times 7 minus 3 parentheses times 7. All right, number 42 in the domain of operations and algebraic thinking. Look at the expression below. 3,411 minus 234 over 3. Which of the following statements are true about the expression? The given expression is 1/3 the value of 3,411 minus 234. The next one, the given expression is 3 times the value of 3,411 minus 234. The given expression is equal to parentheses 3,411 minus 234 parentheses divided by 3. And the last one, the given expression is equal to parentheses 3,411 minus 234 parentheses times 3. All right, number 43. The domain is number and operations in base 10. Round the number 18 and 374 thousandths to the nearest hundredth. Put a point on the number line to show the rounded value. So in the comments, you don't have to worry about drawing the number line. Just have that in your notebook. Just make sure you put the answer of how you round it. Okay. And number 44. Number 44 is number and operations in base 10. 1 4/10 times 3/10 equals question mark. Your choices are A, 42 hundredths, B, 4 2/10, C, 42 thousandths, and D, 42. All right. Number 45, the next domain is number and operations in fractions. At the candy store, Cheryl bought 1/2 of a pound of cherry taffy and 1/2 of a pound of chocolate taffy. How much taffy did she buy? A, 1/2 of a pound. B, 7/10 of a pound. C, 2/7 of a pound. D, 3/10 of a pound. Number 46, number and operations fractions. Okay, right here, 2 3/10, and then this says 2 1/4. And this, each square right here is 1 square inch. Okay. What is the area of the shaded figure above? Here are your choices. A, 5 11/40 square inches. B, 4 7/40 square inches. C, 4 11/40 square inches. D, 5 7/40 square inches. All right, so we are trying to find the area of that shaded figure. The dimensions are 2 3/10, and then 2 1/4. All right. Number 47. Number 47 is a measurement and data. All right. Complete the table by finding the unknown values. So this is going to be a chart. So what I want you to do is you can make this chart in your notebook. And there are no lines, so you could draw lines to make it like a table. And in the comments, you could just write the answers. You can write a sentence like the height of prism 1 is this, okay? So here we have prism 1. The length of prism 1 is 2 centimeters. The width is 3 centimeters. The height, you need to figure that out. And the volume is 30 cubic centimeters. For prism 2, the length is 4 centimeters. The width is 2 centimeters. The height is 6 centimeters. And you need to figure out the volume. Prism 3, the length is 9 centimeters. You need to figure out the width. The height is 2 centimeters. And the volume is 36 cubic centimeters. And prism number 4, you need to figure out the length. The width is 8 centimeters. The height is 1 centimeter. And the volume is 56 cubic centimeters. All right, so this is in measurement and data. Complete the table by finding the unknown values. So these are the rectangular prisms, the length measurements, the width, the height, and the volume. All right, moving along, number 48. We are almost done. 48, measurement and data. Okay, where is it? All right, if x equals 5 units, y equals 9 units, and z equals 11 units, then what is the volume of the rectangular prism shown above? A, 405 cubic units, B, 605 cubic units, C, 398 cubic units, or D, 495 cubic units. So if x equals 5 units, y equals 9 units, and z equals 11 units, then what is the volume of the rectangular prism shown above? All right, now remember, if you need any help with these, you can ask me for help, ask a family member, ask a friend, or you can look for the tutorial videos. And if I have not uploaded the video for the exact question you need, I'm pretty sure I've done a video very similar to that. So just go on our channel and just search for that. Or if you have any questions, you can message me below. And if I can get to that in time, I'll be able to help you, okay? All right, so geometry is number 49. And the question is which point is inside of the parallelogram? A, 3, 8, B, 5, 3, C, 3, 5, D, 6, 6. So geometry, which point is inside of the parallelogram? A, 3, 8, B, 5, 3, C, 3, 5, D, 6, 6. And we are almost done. Number 50. So at this point, you should have done 1 through 50. So many problems, but so easy. So easy. And you should get 100. All right. So the last one, number 50, geometry. All right. So these are 3 questions. Well, it's like 3 questions for the last question. But just put them together in the comments, okay? So look at number 1 right here. The figures above all have 4 right angles, so they are all rectangles. Is that true or false? Number 2, the figures above all have 4 equal length sides, so they are all squares. True or false? And number 3, the figures above all have at least 1 pair of parallel sides, so they are all parallelograms. True or false? Okay, I'll read that again. Geometry. The figures above all have 4 right angles, so they are all rectangles. True or false? The next one. The figures above all have 4 equal length sides, so they are all squares. Number 3, the figures above all have at least 1 pair of parallel sides, so they are all parallelograms. True or false? All right, we are done. We are done with our test prep for the week. Make sure you get that done this weekend. And if you are unable to, for whatever reason, you'll have time next week to do it. But remember, that's going to have to be on top of the work for next week too. So try not to have so much work that's backed up. Make sure that you finish all your study island this weekend that you owe me, whether it's zeros or low scores that you would like to redo to get a better score. Get all your MobyMax minutes in for math and fact fluency, and your study ladder task and that packet. If it's not done, get that done. If you have any more time, don't forget to watch all the other learning videos on here so you can practice, get smarter and smarter. All right. Have a good weekend. I love you. Mwah.